Monitoring solution companies and services. Hello, my name is Alondra, and I've been asked to research enterprise monitoring tools and recommend the ones that work with both Linux and Windows servers. Uptime and system performance is valuable to any corporation. Therefore, I looked at 3 monitoring solutions: Nagios Xi, Datadog, and Checkmate. We will compare the cost, hosting type, and features. Nagios Xi is a powerful on-premise monitoring tool that is used by large organizations. Nagios Xi monitors applications, servers, and the network. IT teams can continuously monitor the system performance. One of the benefits is how customizable the software can be. Team members can tailor the appearance and functionality of their dashboard. The Nagios Core is free with standard features, but if advanced features are required, then organizations can upgrade. Enterprise Edition begins at $1,995 and can support 100 nodes. For larger organizations, Unlimited may be the better option, with the cost being $23,995. Nagios Xi is a great choice for companies that prefer to keep monitoring in-house and still have the flexibility and control. Datadog is a cloud-based monitoring service with real-time visibility from applications to servers and cloud environments. This is excellent for organizations using cloud services such as Google Cloud. Datadog can gather logs and metrics into a single dashboard, helping teams monitor the performance and troubleshoot quickly. More than 600 integrations can connect easily to tools. The Pro plan begins at $15 per month, offering enterprise-level plans, and includes several advanced features. Datadog is very flexible and can be used by small or large enterprises. This is a great fit for companies that value performance, security, and uptime. Checkmate is the last monitoring tool on my list. This monitoring tool works well with both Linux and Windows systems. Servers, applications, and the network can all be monitored from an easy-to-use dashboard. Checkmate can monitor thousands of devices while maintaining consistent speed and low resource usage. There are 2 versions we can look into in more detail: the free open-source Raw Edition and the Enterprise Edition. The Enterprise Edition has faster performance and advanced features for $189 per month, the total being $2,268 for the year. Checkmate is a great option due to its flexibility, efficiency in monitoring, and it works well with Linux and Windows systems. Final thoughts. So which solution should we decide on? I suggest starting with Checkmate, the free version, because it is powerful and we can easily upgrade to an enterprise level version later if we decide we need that. This also supports both Linux and Windows and allows us to use our infrastructure. We don't have monthly fees or upfront costs with Checkmate. It is a balanced solution for us that is flexible, cost efficient, and has great performance.